NASA's Europa Clipper mission. Far from Earth, orbiting the gas giant Jupiter, lies Europa, a moon covered in ice, hiding a vast liquid ocean beneath its surface. This enigmatic world has intrigued scientists for decades. Could it harbor life? NASA's Europa Clipper mission, launching in October 2024, aims to answer this profound question. Introduction to the Europa Clipper mission. Europa Clipper is one of NASA's most ambitious projects. With an estimated cost of $4.25 billion, the mission is designed to conduct a detailed exploration of Europa, a moon that holds the key to understanding the potential for life beyond Earth. Unlike typical orbiters, Europa Clipper will not orbit Europa directly. Instead, it will orbit Jupiter, making over 50 flybys of Europa to avoid prolonged exposure to the planet's intense radiation belts. The journey to Europa. The spacecraft will launch aboard SpaceX's Falcon Heavy rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Once in space, it will embark on a nearly 6-year journey, leveraging gravity assists from Mars and Earth to reach its destination. This technique will save fuel and increase efficiency, demonstrating NASA's expertise in interplanetary navigation. Scientific goals of the mission. Europa Clipper's primary objective is to determine whether Europa's subsurface ocean could support life. To achieve this, it will focus on 3 key questions. Composition. What is Europa made of? The spacecraft will analyze the moon's icy crust and any materials ejected into space by possible plumes. Geology. What processes shape Europa's surface? This includes understanding the cracks, ridges, and chaos terrains that make Europa so distinctive. Habitability. Could life exist in Europa's ocean? By studying the moon's water, energy sources, and chemical building blocks, scientists hope to assess its potential for life. Next, Europa Clipper's advanced instruments that's on board Europa Clipper is equipped with 9 state-of-the-art scientific instruments: EIS, Europa Imaging System, high-resolution cameras to map Europa's surface in unprecedented detail; Reason, radar for Europa assessment and sounding, a radar system capable of penetrating Europa's icy crust to determine the thickness and locate subsurface lakes; MASSPEX, mass spectrometer for planetary exploration, analyzes gases and particles to identify elements and molecules essential for life; SUDA, surface dust analyzer, studies surface material ejected into space by potential plumes; UVS, ultraviolet spectrograph, searches for plumes of water vapor and other materials; MAGNETO, magnetometer, measures Europa's magnetic field to infer details about its ocean's salinity and depth; Plasma and Particles Science Suite, investigates how Europa interacts with Jupiter's magnetosphere; Thermal Emission Imaging System, maps temperature variations on Europa's surface; Gravity/Radio Science Experiment, determines Europa's internal structure by studying its gravitational field. Why Europa? Europa is a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life because of its unique features: subsurface ocean. Scientists estimate that Europa's ocean could contain twice the water of all Earth's oceans combined. Energy sources. Tidal forces from Jupiter generate heat within Europa, preventing the ocean from freezing entirely. Building blocks of life. Observations suggest the presence of salts, organic molecules, and possibly hydrothermal activity, key ingredients for life as we know it. Europa Clipper and astrobiology. The Europa Clipper mission represents a cornerstone of NASA's astrobiology efforts. By probing the moon's icy shell and ocean, it will lay the groundwork for future missions that may one day drill through the ice or send robotic explorers to its ocean floor. Challenges of the mission exploring Europa is no easy task. The spacecraft must navigate Jupiter's intense radiation environment, which can damage electronics. To counter this, Europa Clipper is shielded with a thick layer of aluminum. Another challenge is the sheer complexity of flying dozens of precise flybys while maintaining communications with Earth, a feat requiring sophisticated orbital mechanics and mission planning. What comes after Europa Clipper? Europa Clipper will complement the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, JUICE, which will explore Europa alongside other Jovian moons like Ganymede and Callisto. Together, these missions will paint a comprehensive picture of Jupiter's icy worlds and their potential for life. A leap toward the unknown. Europa Clipper represents more than just a scientific mission. It's humanity's leap into the unknown, driven by our unrelenting curiosity about life beyond Earth. With every flyby, Europa Clipper will bring us closer to answering one of the most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Stay tuned as we follow Europa Clipper's journey and its discoveries, shaping our understanding of the cosmos and